Your body contains anywhere from 10 to 100 trillion bacteria. While these bacteria are everywhere inside and on you, most of them live within your gut. They're known as your microbiome, and they play an important role in maintaining optimal health. A healthy balance of gut bacteria comes with many health benefits, while an imbalance has been linked to many diseases. One of the most well-studied friendly bacteria is Lactobacillus rhamnosus. Because of its well-understood range of health benefits, L. rhamnosus is available as a supplement and often added to dairy products for an extra probiotic boost. But what kind of benefits can you expect with an increase in L. rhamnosus? Keep watching to find out. I'm Nick with the Health Report, holistic health coach and nutritionist, and in today's video, we're going to talk about all things L. rhamnosus. So what is Lactobacillus rhamnosus? Before I talk about the benefits, I thought it'd benefit to learn a little bit more about it. L. rhamnosus is a type of bacteria that's found in your intestines. It belongs to the genus Lactobacillus, which you've probably heard if you have ever looked into probiotics. Bacteria from this species are considered to be probiotics. This particular bacteria can also adhere to and colonize in your intestinal walls, which is good. There are many different strains of L. rhamnosus, each with different benefits and characteristics. L. rhamnosus is often added to cheese and yogurts to help enhance the flavor, and it can be marketed as kind of more of a probiotic. So let's talk about the health benefits of L. rhamnosus. L. rhamnosus has been found to benefit not just your digestive tract, but many other areas of your health. Number one, it may prevent and treat diarrhea. It's not uncommon to get bacterial infection which leads to diarrhea. Most of the time, diarrhea is harmless and will pass on its own. However, if it persists, diarrhea can cause fluid loss, which may lead to dehydration. Thankfully, research has found that L. rhamnosus can help prevent and even treat certain types of diarrhea. For example, antibiotics, which can be crucial to fight off infections, can often result in digestive issues like diarrhea. But the presence of L. rhamnosus may be able to protect against this side effect. A review of 12 studies in nearly 1,500 people found that supplementing with L. rhamnosus reduced the risk of antibiotic-related diarrhea by up to 23%. Since antibiotics can do both good and bad in regards to the bacteria in your gut, taking a probiotic like L. rhamnosus during and after antibiotic use can restore healthy gut bacteria. On top of that, L. rhamnosus may also be able to protect against various other types of diarrhea, such as traveler's diarrhea, acute watery, and acute gastroenteritis-related diarrhea. Number two, it may be able to relieve IBS symptoms. Irritable bowel syndrome is a digestive condition that affects about 23% of American people worldwide. About 9 to 23% of people worldwide. It causes uncomfortable symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and unusual bowel movements. Despite its prevalence, its cause is unfortunately unknown. However, researchers have found that a link between the IBS and the bacteria living in your gut. For example, it's been found that people with IBS have fewer beneficial bacteria in their microbiome and higher levels of harmful bacteria such as E. coli. Numerous studies have found that foods and supplements with good bacteria, similar to L. rhamnosus, can relieve common IBS symptoms in adults. Animal studies have found that L. rhamnosus can strengthen gut barriers, helping to reduce symptoms of IBS. Number three, of course, it aids your gut health. And remember, all health begins in the gut. So even if we just focus on the gut, this leads to better hormones, easier weight loss, better blood sugar regulation, the list goes on and on. So just like any other probiotic, L. rhamnosus is great for your digestive health. One reason why L. rhamnosus is particularly beneficial for digestion is it produces lactic acid. This is a substance which prevents the survival of harmful bacteria in your gut. For example, L. rhamnosus can prevent Candida albicans, a harmful type of bacteria, from colonizing your intestinal walls. But it gets better. L. rhamnosus doesn't just prevent bad bacteria from growing and spreading, it promotes the growth of more beneficial bacteria. And if that wasn't enough, it also increases the production of short-chain fatty acids such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate. SFCFAs are a source of nourishment for the cells lining of your colon, creating an even healthier digestive tract. On top of that, SCFAs can protect against colon cancer, promote weight loss, and lower blood sugar levels. Number four, it can protect against cavities. Dental cavities affect many people, especially children. They're created by harmful bacteria existing within the mouth. These bacteria create acids that break down the outer layer of your teeth, the enamel. Thankfully, due to its antimicrobial properties, L. rhamnosus can help fight these types of harmful bacteria. One study involving 600 children found that drinking milk containing L. rhamnosus instead of just regular milk led to fewer cavities and less harmful bacteria overall. Another study showed that regularly taking a lozenge which contained L. rhamnosus significantly reduced bacterial growth and gum inflammation compared to a placebo. Number 5, it can help prevent UTIs. A urinary tract infection can occur anywhere along your urinary tract, such as your kidneys, bladder, or urethra. It's more common in women and typically caused by the bacteria E. coli or Staphylococcus. Research has found that L. rhamnosus may be able to prevent UTIs, kill the harmful bacteria, and restore good bacteria following infection. One analysis of 5 studies in nearly 300 women found that L. rhamnosus, along with other Lactobacillus bacteria, were safe and effective in preventing UTIs. Other studies found L. rhamnosus to be particularly effective at killing bad bacteria in the digestive tract. Number 6, it may promote weight loss. The bacteria living in your gut can alter your appetite and food cravings by messing with your hormones. Thankfully, being a good bacteria, L. rhamnosus can affect your eating habits in a positive manner. Research has found that L. rhamnosus can suppress appetite and food cravings, especially in women. Number 7, it may increase insulin sensitivity. When your body builds up a resistance to insulin, blood sugar levels rise, and your risk of heart issues and diabetes greatly increase. Thankfully, research has found that L. rhamnosus may be able to improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Number 8, it can reduce blood cholesterol. High cholesterol, especially the LDL or the bad cholesterol, increases your risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. One study found that L. rhamnosus lowered blood cholesterol levels just as well as a class of drugs meant to treat high cholesterol. Number 9, it may fight allergies. Whether it's the changing of the seasons, pets, or something else elusive, allergies can be a real pain in the butt. But promoting the growth of friendly gut bacteria and suppressing the growth of harmful bacteria, research shows that L. rhamnosus can relieve and even prevent allergy symptoms. And finally, number 10, it can help treat acne. Getting acne as a teenager, that wasn't fun for anyone. But getting it as an adult, it's incredibly annoying and frustrating. Those days are supposed to be over, right? However, nearly 50 million American adults still get some form of acne. Thankfully, research has found that due to its antimicrobial properties, L. rhamnosus supplements can reduce the appearance and occurrence of acne. So there you have it, the 10 ways L. rhamnosus can improve your health, from improving your gut bacteria, which is the majority of where you get the health benefits, promoting weight loss, blood sugar control, and just helping improve your quality of life. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today about L. rhamnosus. Subscribe to my channel for more great health tips.